Blessings and welcome forward to Reasons right here at the Trail Life. We're on the road at the wonderful beach where the river meets the ocean. And we're under the wonderful almond trees and such a lovely breeze. Hallelujah. The presence of the ancestors, just joy, just goodness, good people. This current topic is about porn, not sex. Sex, not porn. Porn, not sex. Porn, commercial, presentation and ideas of sexual experience, of sexual position, ways to sexual bliss, orgasmic presentation within the box. Internet, television, or subscription and adult XXX rated channels. Porn, not sex. Porn shaping the idea of sex and sexuality. Porn, addiction. Being addicted to guys whacking off girls, overexciting themselves, gyrating, pulsing, all satiating. Porn, not sex. Porn seeping in to the fabric of attractiveness, horny, scratching skin, lewd, lascivious. Porn, hallelujah, not sex. This kind of debauchery, insult, overplay, and what is far out, way off, what is overdone, what is egoic, egotistic, shigotistic. Porn, not sex. The porn addiction has millions of young men and young women glued to their internet, on their phones, on their laptops, on all forms of smart devices. Porn has 9-year-olds, 10-year-olds sneaking onto these channels, these tubes, these views, these periscope into our reality. Children peeking in, absorbing porn, not sex. Porn, this overkill, porn, this desensitizing, demoralizing sexual event, porn, oh, so wild, so freaky, so crazy, so over the top, so not healthy. Sex, not porn, is procreation, is harmony between individuals who are coming together for family, for self-actualization, for self-experience. Sex, not porn, the plans, the environment around it, the ways in which you grow into each other, into how you become this sexual being, this sexual harmony. Sex, not porn, what your mother taught you about safe and healthy sexual behavior, what your father taught you about healthy sexual behavior. Sex, not porn, respecting nature, doing it, hallelujah, the actual way, doing it the factual way. Sex, not porn, the actual way. Sex, not porn, is ensuring that our generations that come after will still respect the virtues of nature, will still be able to be valued by just being who they are, not after being constructed in the eyes of those movie-making porn stars, those mood-making porn stars. Sex, not porn, is a natural way in which we are to pass on the sexual act and its experience in wholesomeness. So the God of our creation can be present in our sexual activities. Sex, not porn, where goodness can be present, where joy can be present, where love can be present, where righteousness can be present. Sex, not porn. Where children can learn happily, harmoniously about their bodies, about their lives, about how it is that they will progenitize themselves. Sex, not porn, is community, it's family. It is the organism, the living organism. It's the unbroken link in the living cosmos. It is our connection to our biological existence. Sex, not porn, is the way it is naturally. In this porn addicted age, the sexual act has become bought and paid for, designed and programmed into so much people. Harvesting of their sexual energy by all these demonic entities who are coming in on their frequencies just to take their energies, just to harvest all that beautiful auras intermingling, not knowing that they're all being programmed at the same time. They're all orgasming at the same time. They're all in the throes of passion at the same time. Hallelujah. Mass harvesting. Suggestive through the programs you're watching and how you all just setting the mood. Turns out all the mood you're setting is the same mood. And in that one mood, the porn masters have got their sublimated information into your bodies, into your senses, into your feelings, thinking you are feeling this, and all you are is just a portal for them to live out their worst, hallelujah, and wildest, craziest, soul-consuming fantasies. Free yourself from porn addiction. Remember that sex is biological. It is right there when you find that right partner, that right mate. No payment schemes to be satisfied. Once it is low and lascivious, it is of no value. Porn isn't the way to know of your sexual nature. True, organic, biological, that which can lead unto the procreative is the way to experience your sexual harmony and your sexual bliss. Come out of the auto-suggestions and the mass programming. Hallelujah. Free yourself. Be your true self. Not to the gang, not to the group, not to be in the in crowd, the happening crowd. Afraid of being covered with a shroud. If it's for your true nature, if it's for your true self, it is worth it. It is absolutely worth it. Sex, not porn, people. Clean, healthy, harmonious, biological, procreative behaviors. No charm, just the natural attraction, sensuality, alive bioelectric rhythms that spark intensity, that sparks the flames of good satisfaction. No lust but loving. Life-filled frequencies. We need to get forward into these frequencies, return to our first love, the love of divine and divine sexual acts, divine sexualization, divine sexual and moral experiences. Sex, not porn. Sex, not porn. Good sex, not good porn. Good sex, not bad porn. Sex, not porn. Healthy, clairvoyant sexual experiences. See, know, feel on all your planes. Your physical plane, your mental plane, your emotional plane, your spiritual plane. Be in tune, be aligned. Feel and know. Trust your body. It will feed you. It will heal you. It will lead you into the movements, the touching, the vibing, the grooving, all that you need to experience your sexual nature, to experience your sexual self. Sex, not porn, people. And sex is not boring. Porn is overdone. When porn leads Our children are perverts, hiding, cowering away, stealing away, sneaking away into all manner of perversion, where the incubus and the succubus come down upon them like a devouring shroud of dark forces. They are in the minds, the bodies, and the spirit of so much people, carrying around these sex demons, these, oh, I'm so horny energy. The porn generation has let loose thousands of demons upon the souls of a lot of unsuspecting men and women who are just trying to get a hard down, or trying to get wet, trying to release, trying to be free, trying to free up. And all you're doing, hallelujah, is rubbing away, master away, baiting away. All these repulsive sexual acts bring the dark forces. These masturbating, demoralizing, whimpering kind of activities that's sapping us of virtue, sapping us of energy. When sex is in its harmony, it is beautiful. It is not pedantic. It does not need these great arguments because it is wholly sacred and divine. So it is always sex, not porn. It is always what is godly. It is always hallelujah, which is natural, that which is true. Blessings on your path, getting past the porn blockages in your life towards the sexual harmony and the sexual bliss you are striving for. Get to know yourself, get to know your body, get to know your being, get to know your partner. Sex is beautiful. Porn is overstimulation, perversion. It's horrible. It's a nuisance. Be at peace with your joyful, beautiful, created being that the Lord has blessed you with genitals, genitalia, to experience and express yourself sexually towards beautiful sexual unions, beautiful sexual harmony, procreation, joy in the beauty of creation. This has been Jerome Sage Butler, reminding you to get past those blockages and see your true sexual self, the true sexual nature beyond the programming. Blessings on your sexual journey.